measuring capacity. Capacity means how much a container can hold. So, for example, I have here a mini jar and a coffee glass, and I'm going to be thinking about whether objects are to capacity or if they are not to capacity. So, I'm going to fill up my mini jug. Okay, there we go. Which one would you say is to capacity? It's this one here, because this one here, if you can see, is full, whereas this one here is only nearly full. If I pull those away. If you have a think about these two here, which one do you think has the greatest capacity and which one has the smallest capacity? What do you think? So this one has the smallest capacity and this one has the greatest capacity. Can you explain why? This one here holds less liquid, and the coffee glass holds more liquid. So this is great capacity, smaller capacity. Your task today is, what I would like you to do is try and get two containers that are roughly the same shape and size, and a container, something that can hold liquid, that is smaller in size. And our first task today is to see how many of these will fit in here. Do you think, so on your piece of paper and your pencil, could you estimate how many mini jugs of liquid you think will fit into this coffee glass? You can write it down on your piece of paper. If I have a little look, I think there will be 7 mini jugs. 7 mini jugs into the coffee glass. Sorry about my writing, upside down. Coffee glass. I'm going to stop working. I'll finish that in a minute. So into the coffee glass. Shall we have a little test? Okay, if you want, you can work alongside me if you want to watch what I'm doing. If not, you can go and get your own objects or your own containers afterwards. So how many have we got? 1. I estimated 7. I don't know what you estimated. 2. It's filling up quite quickly. 3. 4. 5. Well, this one's not quite full. See, it's here. It needs to be right at the top to make sure they're full. 6. Okay, be careful when it gets into the top. 6. 7. So, on your estimation, what you could do is either, if your estimation was correct, you can give it a tick. If it wasn't correct, you could say actual mini jugs to write your number. So you'll write your number there. Could you work out, without pouring them into here first, how many would be in 2 coffee cups? Okay, so you know that 7 fits in here, which means that another 7 would fit in here. So we could do 7 and 7. What could we use instead of the word and? Okay, we could use the word add. So add 7 equals, so what would 7 add 7 equals? If you can't do that in your head, what you could do is draw 7 little jugs underneath. 3, and under here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then count them up all together. So counting with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now when we write our 14, we need to make sure that there is 1 10 and 4 1s. So our 14 looks like this. Okay, the next part of our task is to get another object that you have 2 of the same of. So I've got 2 pint glasses here. I'm going to put one here, and again I'm going to try and find out how many of these little jugs fit into the pint glass. But before I do that, I need to estimate. So on your sheets, if you're following along with me, could you estimate how many of these little jugs you think would fit into the pint glass? Have a little look at the pint glass. It's quite large. And then the mini jug. Do you think it would be more or less than the coffee cup? I'm going to estimate more, so I think that maybe 10 mini jugs go into the pint glass. So I'm going to write it here: 10 mini jugs into the pint glass. Okay, and then we can test it. One. Counting along with me. 2, 3. Can I put this one in? Not yet, because there's not enough in there. Make sure it's full. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, oh, it's very close. 15. Okay, so we have 15. The actual mini jugs that fit into the pint glass is 15. So I'm going to write down here actual mini jugs is 15. So 1 10 and 5 1s. Out, you know you have 15 in here, and how many would you need in here then? 15. So it'd be 15 and 15, or 15 add 15, equals, so what could you do? You could draw it underneath if you're not sure. So draw 15 of these underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you could add them up. What you could do is hold 15 in your head, because you know there's 15 under here. So hold 15 in your head, and we're going to count on. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So you're going to write 30 here. Well done. Now what I would like you to do is have a go at your own one. So could you find yourself a smaller container and a larger container, and then fill it up, estimate how many you think is going to be in there, and then say how many actually fit in there, and then after that you just need to think about how many could fit into 2. Thank you very much for listening. This was your session 3 on capacity.